Have you ever wondered how to make money from Earnut.com? Well, you've come to the right place. Earnut.com is a revolutionary platform designed to help you make money by doing what you love. It's a place where passion meets opportunity. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or just someone with a unique skill, Earnut.com provides a platform for you to showcase your talent and get paid for it. But it's not just about the money. Earnut.com is about the community. It's about connecting with people who share your interests and learning from each other. It's about growing together and helping each other succeed. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and turn your passion into a paycheck, you're in the right place. Stick around, because you're about to learn how to maximize your income with Earnut.com. Getting started on Earnut.com is simple. Let's dive right into how you can sign up for an account and join the Earnut community. First, navigate to Earnut.com. On the homepage, you'll find a sign up button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to get started. You'll then be redirected to a registration page. Here you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering your full name. Remember, it's crucial to use your real name, as this will be used for verification purposes later on. Next, create a unique username. This will be your identity on Earnut.com, so choose something that resonates with you. After that, you'll need to provide a valid email address. This is where all communication, including notifications and updates, will be sent. Then, it's time to set a password. Make sure it's something secure yet easy for you to remember. To help protect your account, consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Finally, you'll need to read and accept the terms and conditions. It's important to understand these before proceeding. Once you've done that, click Register to complete the process. Voila! You've successfully signed up for an account on Earnut.com. An email confirmation will be sent to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once you have set up your account, you're ready to start earning. Navigating Earnut.com is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right into the heart of the platform, the dashboard. This is your command center, your cockpit. It's where you'll find all the controls and indicators you need to maximize your earnings on Earnut.com. At first glance, you'll notice the dashboard is divided into several sections. Each one serves a unique purpose and is designed to make your earning process as seamless as possible. Let's start with the Earning Overview section. This is like your personal financial advisor. It gives you a real-time snapshot of your earnings, showing you exactly how much you've made and how close you are to your next payout. It's a valuable tool to track your progress and keep you motivated. Next, we have the Tasks section. Think of this as your to-do list. It displays all the available tasks you can complete to earn money. The tasks vary, from taking surveys to testing new apps. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Then there's the Referrals section. This is your network expansion tool. Here you can find your unique referral link, which you can share with friends and family. Every time someone signs up using your link, you'll earn a commission. It's a great way to boost your earnings without doing any extra work. Last but not least, we have the Settings section. This is where you can customize your Earnut.com experience. You can update your payment method, change your password, and tweak your notification preferences. Remember, a well-tuned dashboard leads to a smoother ride. So that's your dashboard. It's your control panel, your earnings tracker, your task list, your networking tool, and your personal settings manager, all rolled into one. It's designed to be intuitive, but it's also packed with powerful features to help you maximize your earnings. With a clear understanding of the dashboard, you're now ready to explore the earning opportunities. Earnut.com offers ample opportunities to earn money. Yes, you heard it right. There are several avenues to earn money on this platform, and we're about to walk you through them. Let's start with the first one, participating in surveys. Earnut.com partners with various companies that are eager to hear your opinion on their products and services. All you have to do is answer a few questions and voila, you've earned yourself some money. Remember, every survey completed is a step closer to your financial goals. Next up is completing tasks. These tasks range from simple activities like watching videos, trying out new apps, or even shopping online. And guess what? You get paid for all of it. Yes, you're earning money by doing everyday activities. It's like getting a pat on the back for living your life. How cool is that? And here's the cherry on the cake. Referring friends. If you've got friends who are also interested in making money online, then Earnut.com referral program is a goldmine for you. For every friend you refer who signs up and begins earning, you get a nice bonus added to your account. And the best part? There's no limit to the number of friends you can refer, so the more the merrier. But hold on, there's more. Earnut.com also regularly hosts competitions and giveaways for its users. Participating in these could see you walking away with some hefty cash prizes. Keep an eye out for these special events, as they are a fantastic way to boost your earnings. Earning money on Earnut.com is as easy as pie. It's all about taking advantage of the opportunities available to you. Whether it's taking surveys, completing tasks, referring friends, or participating in competitions, there's something for everyone. Remember, every little bit counts, and all these earnings can add up to a substantial amount over time. So why wait? Start exploring these earning opportunities today, and watch your account balance grow. By utilizing these opportunities, you can start making money on Earnut.com. Cashing out your earnings is a hassle-free process on Earnut.com. Once your earnings have reached the minimum withdrawal amount, you're ready to initiate the withdrawal process. The minimum withdrawal amount is usually a small sum to ensure that even beginners can quickly start reaping the fruits of their labor. To begin, navigate to the Withdrawal section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of withdrawal methods available to you. These often include popular options such as direct bank transfer, PayPal, or even gift cards for your favorite online retailers. Select the withdrawal method that best suits your needs. Each method will have its own set of instructions, so follow them carefully. For instance, if you choose a bank transfer, you'll need to provide your bank details. If you select PayPal, you'll need to provide your PayPal email. After you've entered the necessary information, simply click the Withdraw button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Most platforms will process your withdrawal within a few business days, but the exact timing can vary based on the withdrawal method you've chosen. Remember, it's important to keep your payment information up to date to avoid any delays. It's also a good idea to regularly check your email for any updates or notifications from Earnut.com regarding your withdrawal. With these steps, you can easily access your hard-earned money. There are strategies to maximize your earnings on Earnut.com. First off, make it a habit to regularly check the site for new tasks. Just like picking the ripest apple from a tree, the earlier you get to a task, the better the payout tends to be. Next, consistency is key. Maintaining a high task completion rate not only gives you a steady stream of income, but it also boosts your reputation on the platform. This can lead to more lucrative opportunities down the line. Another tip is to diversify your task portfolio. Don't just stick to one type of task. Explore different categories and broaden your skill set. This can open up more earning avenues for you. Don't forget to take advantage of the referral program. Each new user you refer to Earnut.com adds an extra bonus to your earnings. By following these tips, you can increase your earnings on Earnut.com. Now that you know how to make money on Earnut.com, it's time to take action. Remember, opportunity doesn't knock twice. It's about making the first step, and that first step is signing up on Earnut.com. It's a platform designed with you in mind, where earning is made easy and accessible. Think of all the things you could do with that extra income. Maybe it's a trip you've been wanting to take, a gift for a loved one, or even just a safety net for unexpected expenses. The possibilities are endless when you have more than one income stream. You've got the knowledge, you've seen the potential, now it's time to put it all into practice. It's time to join a community of earners who took the leap and never looked back. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't wait. Sign up for Earnut.com today and start earning money right away.